here, and today I'm gonna be making a return video. It's my video. I mean, I know I haven't uploaded in like nearly a month now. It's been like 3 weeks, and I'm so sorry for that. I even had a Christmas holiday video which is supposed to come out. I was supposed to edit it ages ago, but I never got to it. But that will be coming out soon. Um, a lot has happened. I'm not gonna lie, since my last upload, which was my birthday, I think, my birthday gift, and that is I got a new car. So obviously you guys will know I sold my Accord, and now I got a new car, which is my Mitsubishi Ralliart 2014 model. So yeah, this is the car. This is the big reveal to you guys. This is it. It's got the Evo 10 hood thing. Looks really cool. And yeah, like it looks really looks funky. Really cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna do an exhaust video because I'm gonna get my CATBACK. So yeah, right now it's on stock exhaust. I'm gonna get my CATBACK. So I'm just gonna film for you guys what the startup on a stock exhaust sounds like. And yeah, so that's the interior. And you have the key fob, and you just unlock it like that. Press the button. The rays come out. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'll just let you guys know what the stock exhaust sounds like if you guys want to know. This is gonna be like a comparison. So I'll film the stock exhaust today. Then when I get the new CATBACK, I'll kind of do like a side by side like comparison. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I probably want to sign out. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll obviously be uploading way more now, whenever I can for you guys on this new car, and yeah, and things are tracking in. But yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the second part. So I got the CATBACK installed. This is actually a couple days after the first part, the stock part, but obviously in this video it's gonna be like together because it's like gonna be like a before and after. Now, the reason why it took so long is because I had to wait for the exhaust parts to come. It came in 2 boxes, and they literally delivered one box, one part of the whole package in one day, and then the second part the next day. So I had to wait 2 days for that, and then I just got it installed yesterday. It sounds pretty good. I like it. It's a CATBACK. It does hang a bit low, the piping, but apparently it's because the cat is like making it hang a bit low, because it is a CATBACK. It's on still a factory cat, but he said that if you get a catted down pipe, it will go higher. So yeah, I'll show you what the exhaust actually looks like. Then we'll do the clip, and yeah. All right, so that's the muffler. As you can see, and you can kind of see the pipe. It's a bit on the lower side. It kind of is, but it's not too bad. It actually doesn't really scrape or anything because of my ride height. It's still pretty high-ish. So it actually doesn't scrape or anything, which is good. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So yeah, it does kind of look, the pipe does kind of look low, but it's actually not that low in terms of scraping. It clears most humps anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna go do the sound test now, the sound clip, sorry. So yeah, enjoy.